Hey flower folks, welcome to Share Inspirations. In today's video we are going to be talking about harvesting forget-me-not along with some vase life tips. Now I have grown these from seed that I have acquired from the Dollar Tree, and this packet costed me 25 cents. I sowed them in the fall around September, late September, October time frame, and they are currently flowering for me, and these beautiful dainty blue flowers that come up around April time frame, and they will continue to flower until the third week of June when it gets really hot. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and harvest. This is the scissors, the floral scissors that I use. These are actually not true floral scissors. They are not botanical bonsai scissors, and I will leave a link to where I've purchased them. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go all the way down and give it a cut around right here, because there's still some buds that will come up. And what I'm gonna do is go ahead and clean the leaves, and I'm going to put it in my calendula jar, which is orange, and it gives it a beautiful orange and blue cut flower bouquet. I'm gonna go ahead and get 2 more of these. Thing here. And this would last, the blue flowers on here would last around 5 to 7 days, and so would the calendulas. And this would be just a shorter stemmed bouquet that you can put on your table or your kitchen table and whatnot. And that was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and it added some value in your cut flower gardening, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.